Hello viewers, in this video we are going to see how to download and install CodeIgniter 4 using manual way. Let's get started. Go to Google and search for CodeIgniter 4. Then click on Download CodeIgniter 4 link. Now, we are on official website for CodeIgniter PHP framework. The current version is 4. You can download CodeIgniter by using this button, but in this video I will download this from CodeIgniter GitHub repository. Click on Sources button. Then click on this latest release link. So, this is the latest updated CodeIgniter 4 version at this time. We are going to download this now. Click here to download CodeIgniter 4. Once download finished, move this to your desired folder. For getting started, I highly recommended you to download CodeIgniter 4 user guide. Just click on documentation link. Here, we have online user guide and offline user guide. For us, let's download offline user guide by clicking on this button. Once user guide downloaded, also move this to your desired folder. Now, we have both CodeIgniter 4 PHP framework and CodeIgniter 4 user guide zip files. We have to extract them. Let's see the user guide in browser. Friends, this is the offline user guide for CodeIgniter 4. You can learn more by using this wonderful offline pages. You can find everything about CodeIgniter 4 on this user guide. Let's continue. Rename this folder to ci4_project. In order to use this downloaded CodeIgniter 4 framework, we have to open it into text editor. For me, I will use Visual Studio Code. As you can see, our CodeIgniter 4 is opened into Visual Studio Code. The first thing you have to do is to rename this env file to .env. Open this file. To enable variable on this env file, you can remove hash symbol before that variable. You can define your base URL here. By default base URL is this. Second thing you have to do, is to define database. Let's create new database for this. Just create new database and rename to CodeIgniter 4_DB. Then copy this database name and set database default database equal to that name. Username is root. And password is blank. Save the file. Open new terminal and enter php spark serve command. We have one problem here. This framework will need this extension in order to work properly. To solve this problem, we have to enable this extension in our server. Just go to XAMPP. Click on Config. Then choose php.ini. Then search for intl. Then enable this extension by removing semicolon before that. Save the file. Then restart server. Let's run php spark serve command again. As you can see, we have now CodeIgniter development server URL. Let's navigate this URL into browser. Friends, this is a CodeIgniter 4.1.3 into browser. Let's create our new CodeIgniter controller. You can use this user guide to see how to make controller in CodeIgniter. Let's copy this example. Create new PHP file and rename to hello PHP. Then paste copied code and change class name to the same name of file. By default, the default method is index. Now, change this echo text. Let's test. As you can see, we have this message from index method of hello controller. Let's see how to get data from another method instead of index method. Back to our controller and create document method here. Let's test. As you can see, we have this message from document method of hello controller. Friends, this is how you can download and install CodeIgniter 4 for your project. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe in order to be notified if we uploaded new video on this channel. You will see more videos about CodeIgniter 4 on this channel. Thanks for watching this video.